What is financial freedom? It's a state of existence that goes beyond the simple accumulation of wealth. It's about having the means to live your life on your own terms, without the constant fear of debt or the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Financial freedom is the comfort of knowing that you have choices, and that those choices are not dictated by necessity, but by preference. It's the power to decide the direction of your life without the constraints of financial burdens. Imagine being able to take that dream vacation without the stress of how you're going to pay for it, or not having to compromise on the quality of your child's education because of financial limitations. This is what financial freedom looks like. The benefits of financial freedom extend far beyond material possessions. It reduces stress, allowing for a healthier, happier life. It gives you the time to pursue personal growth, to learn new skills, to explore new interests. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about being free. Free to choose, free to dream, free to live. It's about breaking the chains that bind us to a life of financial stress and stepping into a life of abundance. But how do we achieve this state of financial freedom? It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's about making strategic decisions, creating multiple streams of income, and building a strong financial foundation. Imagine a life where the chains of financial stress are broken. That's what we're here to help you achieve. Ever wondered how the wealthy keep getting wealthier? The secret lies in multiple income streams. Picture this. Let's say you're a fruit vendor with a single fruit stall. If a sudden storm destroys your stall, you're left without any income until you can rebuild. Now imagine you own several fruit stalls scattered across the city. Even if one is destroyed, you still have the others generating income. This is the concept of multiple income streams in a nutshell. Wealthy individuals understand this principle well. In fact, most of them have at least 7 different income streams. These can range from their primary business or job, real estate investments, stock market investments, side businesses, royalties from books or patents, and even interest from savings accounts. This strategy ensures that if one stream dries up, they have others to fall back on, reducing the risk of financial ruin. In contrast, relying solely on a single income source can be risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket drops, all your eggs break. A sudden job loss, a market crash, or a medical emergency can create a financial crisis that might take years to recover from. Diversification, or spreading your income sources, provides a safety net. It's like having multiple baskets for your eggs. Even if one basket falls, the others are still safe. This strategy not only provides financial security, but also opens up opportunities for financial growth. The more streams you have, the more money flows into your life. Besides, having multiple income streams allows you to explore different interests and passions. You could be an engineer by day, a blogger by night, and a weekend real estate investor. Each of these ventures not only brings in income, but also enriches your life with varied experiences. In essence, multiple income streams are your ticket out of poverty and your pathway to wealth. They offer a buffer against life's uncertainties, provide opportunities for financial growth, and allow you to live a more fulfilling, multifaceted life. So why wait? Start planning your multiple income streams today. Ready to escape poverty and achieve financial freedom? Here's your step-by-step guide to creating multiple income streams. Firstly, let's start with the foundation. Identifying your skills and passions. This is a crucial step because it will guide you in choosing the right income streams that align with your interests and abilities. For instance, if you love writing and are good at it, you might explore income streams like freelance writing, blogging, or even publishing your own ebooks. If you're skilled in graphic design, you might consider freelance work, selling your designs online, or creating your own design agency. The key here is to find something you love and are good at, then figure out how you can monetize it. Let's dive deeper into one of the most common and lucrative income streams: investments. Investments are essentially assets or items that are purchased with the hope that it will generate income or appreciate in the future. In an economic sense, an investment is the purchase of goods that are not consumed today, but are used in the future to create wealth. But like all good things, investments also come with their fair share of risks and rewards. An investment can offer you numerous benefits. Firstly, it can provide you with an additional source of income. This could be in the form of dividends from stocks, rent from real estate, or interest from bonds. Secondly, Investments can also appreciate over time, meaning they can increase in value. This increase in value can result in a capital gain, which can significantly boost your wealth. Lastly, certain types of investments like real estate and stocks can provide you with tax benefits. However, it's also important to remember that investments come with risks. The value of your investments can go down as well as up, and you may lose all the money you invested. Let's look at some examples of successful investments. The stock market, for instance, has been a proven avenue for wealth creation. Take the case of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, who built his wealth by investing in undervalued companies. Then there's real estate, which has created numerous millionaires and billionaires. Take the example of Donald Bren, who became one of the richest real estate investors in the US by buying and developing properties in Southern California. Investments, when done right, can be a powerful tool for financial growth. They can provide you with a steady stream of income, help you build your wealth, and even provide you with tax benefits. But remember, investing isn't a guaranteed way to make money. It involves risks, and it's crucial that you do your homework, make informed decisions, and ideally, seek advice from financial advisors. So if you're ready to take the plunge and add investments to your income streams, start by educating yourself about different investment options, understanding your risk tolerance, and setting your financial goals. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience, discipline, and a well-diversified portfolio. Let's now explore another compelling income stream: side businesses. A side business is a venture you start and run in addition to your primary job. It's an excellent way to earn extra income and test the entrepreneurial waters without taking on too much risk. Starting a side business can be as simple as turning a hobby or a skill into a money-making venture. Are you a skilled photographer, a talented writer, or a tech whiz? You can start a side business offering your services or creating products related to your skills. The possibilities are endless. Running a side business comes with a host of benefits. It can provide you with an additional source of income, help you diversify your income streams, and even give you the opportunity to turn your passion into a full-time job. More so, it can be a great way to learn new skills, build your network, and gain valuable business experience. However, it's also important to understand the challenges. A side business requires time, effort, and resources. It requires balancing your full-time job, personal life, and your side business, which can be challenging. Despite these challenges, many have found success with side businesses. Take the story of Julie Aigner-Clark, for instance. She started Baby Einstein, a line of multimedia products and toys specializing in interactive activities for preschoolers, as a stay-at-home mum. The company was later sold to Disney for more than $20 million. Then there's the example of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, who started Apple as a side project in a garage, which later became one of the most valuable companies in the world. A side business can be a game changer in your journey towards financial freedom. It can provide a significant boost to your income and open new doors of opportunities. As we've seen, it's not without its challenges, but with the right mindset and approach, it can be a rewarding venture. So if you're ready to take the leap and start your side business, remember to start small, start with what you know, and most importantly, start now. Next on our journey to financial freedom is a concept that's often romanticized, yet sometimes misunderstood: passive income. Passive income, in simple terms, is money you earn that doesn't require your active involvement. It's income that flows in even when you're sleeping, on vacation, or doing anything else you love. Passive income can be generated in several ways. It could be through rental properties, dividends from stocks, royalties from a book or song, or earnings from a blog or a YouTube channel. The beauty of passive income is that it can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort once it's set up. The allure of passive income is undeniable. It can provide you with financial security, free up your time, and give you the freedom to pursue your passions. It's one of the key ingredients to achieving financial freedom. However, creating passive income isn't as easy as it sounds. It requires an upfront investment of time, money, and effort, and the returns may not be immediate, but with patience, persistence, and smart strategies, it can pay off in the long run. Let's look at some successful passive income strategies. Consider the story of Pat Flynn, a renowned entrepreneur and podcaster. He started a blog to help people pass an architecture exam, which later evolved into an ebook and an online course. Today, he earns a significant amount of passive income from these sources. Then there's the example of Gary Vaynerchuk, who invested in several tech startups early on, which now provide him with a steady stream of passive income. Passive income can be a powerful tool in your journey towards financial freedom. It can provide a steady income stream with minimal effort once set up, allowing you to focus on other pursuits. But remember, it requires an upfront investment of time, money, and effort. So if you're ready to embark on the journey of creating passive income, start with a plan, be patient, and stay persistent. The rewards can be life-changing. Remember, creating multiple income streams isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. It's about building a solid financial foundation that can withstand life's storms and provide you with the freedom to live life on your own terms. Now, I hope you're feeling empowered and inspired to start creating your own multiple income streams. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually build your wealth over time. With these insights, you are now better equipped to embark on your journey to financial freedom. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. Start building your multiple income streams today and take control of your financial future. Until next time, stay motivated and aim for the stars.